Thank you for your kind words.
Totoo to.
Salamat naman.
Pwede ko bang sabihin sa'yo yung ginawa mo kay Kinchu? Alam mo kung ano yan?
Ano?
Ow! Panoorin mo. Gusto kayang eksena.
Ano? Hinihinig pa yun naman.
Hindi.
Seryoso itong problema natin, ha?
Oo nga. Wala na tayong dapat ipag-alala. Umalis na si Victor nang walang nalalaman tungkol sa atin. We can go back to the way things were.
Nakita ko.
Kita ko.
Alam mo, iba kasi talaga, iba kang actor talaga. Iba sa iba. Alam mo kasi, you're not only acting. Actually, when you act, you should not act, right? Pero yung character si Robert De Niro. Yes, so, at kung hindi ako magugulat kung lagi ka magkakaroon ng awards, hindi ako magugulat. Parang sa akin, okay lang, yung gano'n. Kasi dapat lang. And before you go on with your song, di mo nakita ng surprise. And thank you so much. Kahit alam ko busy yung schedule mo, alam ko yun. Because we've been texting your PA, talagang hirap siyang don't commute with us. No? But, you know, I still appreciate that you are here, JM. And ito yung surprise namin for you. Sandali lang po. Kailangan po ulitin kasi with all due respect sana sa ating artist, pwedeng ulitin po natin. Pasensya na po nangyayari po yung ganyan technical problems. By the way, habang hinintay natin yan, I'd like to take this opportunity po pala. The song that I sang a while ago with One More Look at You, if you noticed, I included the video of Ms. Kate Fanyo's husband.